What's good, everybody? Chris here again. Chris Goes Outdoors. We're driving and not up to New Hampshire. Crazy, I know. We are actually driving to northern Massachusetts, not to any mountain in particular, but we are heading to meet a buddy of mine named Van. He does photography, landscape, and wildlife. So we're gonna go meet up with him. It's some park. I don't really know too much about it, but he has found, or has been photographing for a little while, 2 snowy owls. So I guess they're out today. He told me come up, check it out, and that's what we're gonna do. Try to get some video of the owls anyway, some behind the scenes footage of some photography action, I suppose, his big fancy camera and lenses, amongst other things. It can possibly be a great video, possibly not. We'll see how it goes once we get up there. We've made it to the beach area. This crazy guy right here with his big camera, my buddy Van. So we're going through the depths of, what is this, the repair shop? So we're looking for the snowy. Will we find the snowy? We'll see. You spotted it earlier, right?
I did, yeah.
Yeah. He's got eyes on it.
Been walking the beach since 5, so.
He's been walking the beach since 5 o'clock this morning. It's dedication. Crazy dedication.
Love it.
So it's about 2:30. There's probably 30 to 40 photographers hanging out around here, and I'm just kind of taking video of all of them because I don't really have a lens long enough to really capture the owl from this far away. But very cool so far, at least to just see this thing chilling. Like, I've never in all of my hiking seen a owl out like that. So we'll wait maybe another hour or so until like optimum dusk sunlight, and hopefully my buddy Van will get some good shots. We'll go back, take a look.
So it's gotten pretty dark. The owl literally flew off its perch, its little sand dune it was sitting on, and everybody in this area vanished. Like I'm the only one left. It flew into the marsh on the other side. It was pretty cool to watch. I've been here, it's like 4:30 now. So sun just went down and it took off. So 4:30, I got here about 1:30, so about 3 hours. My buddy Van has been here for almost 12 hours. And he was running around on the other side trying to get a different angle when it took off. Tough life, a wildlife photographer. Though he did show me some images, maybe he'll send one or two to me that I can put in the video that he was able to get, I believe earlier on today. So, crazy stuff. The camera and lens he's using are top notch, like Nat Geo stuff. He's dedicated to this. We come out, sit for 12 hours. I think I'm gonna wrap up and move on. I'll see if I can find Van. I don't know where he went. He went somewhere and it looked like he ran toward the marsh. So maybe we'll see if we can find him on the street. And if not, I don't know. This might be a long video, might be a short video. But anyways, I know it's a little change of pace, but I thought it would be kind of cool to film. See what happened out here. And yeah, got to see a snowy owl. I've never seen one before. I feel like I hear owls all the time when I'm hiking, never see them. And then today, hey, there's an owl, come up here. Pretty cool. So making my way back to the car, pretty sure I just saw Van's SUV driving down the street here. Supposedly there were 2 owls and they were on the other side of the marsh, but people were hunting or something over there earlier. But I don't think I'm gonna go over there. The lens I have just doesn't handle low light very well, especially long distance low light. So whatever. I think we're out of here. Hopefully the video was pretty cool, but we'll see. We'll see when we edit it, and if you see this on the internet. Might tag around with him more often. Maybe pick up a longer telephoto lens so I can do some of this bird stuff. He actually has a 200 to 600 with him, but available, so I could borrow that from him as well. But we'll see how it goes. But I think that's it for now. I'll catch you in the next one, wherever or whatever that may be. Take care.